Hello everyone, this is Hasti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my everyday makeup routine. It's really easy and always takes me less than 8 minutes, even less. So stay tuned. I'm moisturizing my face every day, but not too much. That's enough. And my eyebrows. And my eye pencil. And my favorite blush highlighter is my brush. Let's do this. And apply it everywhere. It's really easy. And my cheeks. Yeah. I feel like rose in makeup. It is really shiny and it's really simple. And mascara. And I have freckles here. So right. You can see the smalls here. I actually love them. For my lips, I just use lip balm, just this. I apply it with my finger. for watching my video. If you really like it, please let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.